Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Learn with Your Body, and today I am here with another video of our C programming series where we are going to learn about decision making in C using conditional statements like if, else and switch statement. Well, conditional statements allow a program to decide what to do based on certain conditions. For example, checking a student's grade or selecting an operation in a calculator. Here we can see the types of them. Well, let's talk about if-else statement. If checks the first condition and else if checks another condition if the first one is false, and else runs when none of the above are true, and printf displays the grade according to the marks. Well, we will be more clear about them while coding. So yeah, here let's start our coding. Well, today's video is a bit lengthy as I am going to do the codes line by line, and I hope you guys will also do codes with me. So at first we will take include stdio.h. Well, look, you guys are watching all this black because we haven't saved them yet. After saving our course, it will be built and then it will give us a look of course like we see generally. Then we will take in main function integer marks. Which will print our output. Well, from our last videos, I hope you guys know why we use integer printf and now scanf. So %d. Let's do the codes quickly. I'm saying nothing about this part because we have already known and understood about this parts. Now the if comes. Well, so if the mark is greater or equal to 80, that is our if statement, then it will print grade A. I mean A plus, whatever. Okay, and it will add a new line. Now else if, I mean there is another condition. If the first condition is not done, then okay, I have just copy and pasted them. Or else if the mark is 60, let's say 70, I mean 80 to 70, the grade is A. That's another statement. I have again copy and pasted it and just then edited that line. You guys can do that also. Else it will print grade F. That means if the student is unable to meet those conditions, that means the grade will come in F. Okay, now let's just edit the size of our alphabets. Okay, yeah, see here. Now let's just build and run it. Just saved it. Now oil enter, yeah, it's 55. Look, after saving it, building it, the code is giving the color. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now let's talk about the switch part. Switch statements. Well, it used for multiple conditions. And then we have case which matches specific values. Break which exits switch after executing a case, and then default which runs if no case matches. Now let's start coding. Yeah, here we will take another empty file which we will save as switch, I guess. Yeah, now it will give the coding look from the very beginning of our starting. We'll make choice. Well, in the last video we have studied about arithmetic operator, where we have learned about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and now we will just use them here. So here I have taken two float numbers a and b, and we will print the result of them. Multiply and division. So yeah, that's it. Semicolon. Then we will print our choice, like what we want to do, addition, subtraction, or multiplication, or division. And then it will read our input. Yeah, we will scan those numbers in float. That's a percentage F. It is a ampersand. Switch. Okay, so here comes our today's topic, switch. If we choose case 1, that means addition, okay, it will result in a plus b, and it will print our result. Okay, I was just checking if it's been recording or not. Then it will give us an answer. Here I have just copied and pasted from the case 1, converted in case 2. And if we choose subtraction, then everything else will be kept same. And again for case 2, if we choose multiplication, then it will give us the multiply result. And for case 4, so yeah, we will use the division mark. But if b is not equals to 0, here we have given a condition. As we know, we cannot divide anything with 0. We have just edited this line with if else conditions here. So it will give us an error message if we try to divide anything with 0. So yeah, then we will add a default message here. I mean, if we don't make choice from the case 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will give us this message by default. Now return 0. Yeah, that's our code. Let's run it here. So yeah, if we do the addition, look, as we chose float there, that's why we are having the result in point. Now look, whenever we will change our choices, we need to build and run. Okay, otherwise if we just run them, then it will carry the result before it showed us, which exactly happened a moment before. And if we use a comma, it will not recognize our result. Okay, so we will not give any comma here. So yeah, that's all about our conditionals and statements today. And if you guys find my videos useful, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, stay safe, take care, and Allah Hafiz.